Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to unlock home screen layout. Suppose if your home screen layout is locked by you or some other person, you cannot rename or move or reposition items apps available in the home screen. Okay, see here, I am not able to do so. Okay, if you would like to unlock your home screen layout, then yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen, and here select lock home screen layout. Just to turn off this button so that your phone home screen will be removed from locking. Layout is not locked now, and you can reposition or even uninstall or rename items available in the home screen. Okay, so in this way you can easily unlock home screen layout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.